Hello everyone, taking two sections of the hair from the left side, make two braids out of it and loosen both the sides of these two braids. Do this until you reach the bottom. Now tie a ponytail with the rest of the hair, slightly loosen this ponytail diagonally as such and roll the hair in on itself through this divided section. Take the braid that you have created, pull it through the middle section as such and bring it out through the other side. Add a rubber band at the bottom of it as well. After this, roll the hair upwards into a bun, insert the ends in its place, that is in the middle position of it. Before this, roll the hair in on itself as such. Now after this, roll it up into a bun, fasten it in place, tie a rubber band before you do so, and now adjust it. Now use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. This is what it should look like. Use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we'll start off by taking a section from the left and the right side of the scalp, make two braids out of it and tie it up at the back. Now, remove the rubber bands that you have used and then, continuing with the braids that you have started, begin to include more and more sections of the hair into these braids. Do this until you reach the middle section of it and afterwards continue on with the normal braid without adding sections into it. Do the same out of the left side as well, where you continue with the braid, include sections into it, now join the two braids together. Next, we'll start off by taking a section of the hair from the middle and now vertically add in a clip that is 3 levels. Now, take a section from the left and the right side of the scalp and insert it into the topmost level of the clip. Now, take a section of the hair from either side of the scalp, add it into the middle level of the clip and do the same for the last level of the clip. Comb the hair in place. Next, take a section from the right side of the scalp. Now add a multi-level clip to it as such. Now take 3 sections of the hair from the left side, twist each of these sections and then insert it into each of the levels of the clip as such. Comb the rest of the hair into place. Take a section of the hair from the middle of the scalp, add a rubber band to it as such. After you have done this, take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, right underneath the middle section that you have created. Make sure that this is tied loosely. Now, taking the second section, twist it and then insert the first section through the second section as such. Now, after you pull it through, tighten it once you are done with this and then adjust the hair. Now, use a decorative clip on top of this once you are done with it. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in order to fasten it in its place. Tighten it once you are done, take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, twist it and then pull it through the top section. Add a decorative clip on top of this. Take the top section of the hair and then clip it up at the back. Wrap the hair around it and then make it into a bun. Fasten it in place using this decorative clip. Next, use this multi-level clip at the back of the hair. Now, take a section from the left and the right side, twist both of these sections, insert it into the middle level of the clip. Take another section from the left side of the scalp, twist it and insert it into the left side of the hair. Do the same with the right side. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself through the middle section. Do the same for 3 more times. Thank you for watching.